To turn on the VRTEX 360 Virtual Welding Simulator, press and hold the round green button on the front of the system. Hold the button in for 3 to 5 seconds until you see the system start to boot. The VRTEX 360 is multilingual. Currently, it can communicate in English, Spanish, German, French, Turkish, Japanese, Chinese, Russian, and Portuguese, with more to come. The yellow Theory button brings up terms and definitions relative to the current screen. For example, on the first screen, the introduction to the VRTEX 360 and the definition of arc welding is available. On the login screen, the blue button allows the user to choose between metric and imperial measurements. Inputting a username is easy. Use the joystick to toggle between letters and the red Select button to select the letter. This allows the welds to be tracked for progress under the user's name. Press the green Continue button to advance to the next screen. The joint selection screen shows the different joints available for welding. There are currently 5 joints: a flat plate, T-joint, groove plate, 2-inch extra strong pipe, and the 6-inch Schedule 40 pipe. On the joint selection screen, the yellow Theory button covers all the various weld joints. Use the joystick to toggle between joints and press the red Select button to select the joint that you want to weld. The next step is to select your weld material. You can weld mild steel, and with our available options, you can also weld aluminum and stainless steel. Use the joystick and red Select button again to choose your material type. Selecting the material thickness is next. Toggle upwards to select the different material thicknesses. And now it's time to select the welding process. Turn the process selector switch on the front of the machine to the desired process. The available processes are SMAW welding with 6010, 7018, and 6013. FCAW processes using both gas and self-shielding consumables, and GMAW using short circuit, axial spray, pulse, and surface tension transfers. Setting up the welding stand is very important. The user must properly set up the stand to figure out how to position their body so the weld can be made without stopping. Use the numbered holes on the pole to adjust the table and arm height. Use the letters on top of the swing arm collar to decide the arm rotation. The coupon rotation will depend on how the coupon is set in the arm. The setup prompt gives the user a chance to make sure the stand is set up the same way as the computer before welding proceeds. Press the green Continue button or the red Select button to continue. The VRTEX 360 comes standard with 4 incredibly realistic virtual welding environments: the Ironworks, Power Plant, Desert Base, and Weld Booth environments. An optional Motorsports environment is also available. Toggle left or right to select the desired environment. The gas selection screen is used to determine the proper gas selection and pressure setting. These settings are found on the Welding Procedure Specifications, or WPS. The Welding Machine Adjustment screen allows the user to select the wire feed speed or amperage and voltage requirements for the weld. Use the knobs on the front of the machine to make the proper adjustments. These settings can be found in the Welding Procedure block of the WPS. If the settings are incorrect, an incorrect settings prompt will appear.